We all know the fact that learning through experience or practice is the most effective way to educate. Imagine a simulated environment where commerce can be learned through experiencing real work scenarios. That means integrating practical learning into commerce education. We know that the commerce industry is ever progressing. So, commerce education has to be the most updated sector in education. That is where Energy comes to you, India's first SL and IL tech innovator in commerce education. Energy India has created a revolutionary student life cycle management platform for commerce education, Nergy Vidya, through which SL and IL tech backed statutory e-filing skilling programs, finance literacy courses, and other statutory literacy skilling programs are brought to reality. Statutory filings are a major part of every commerce learner's curriculum. Statutory filings are done through government portals using confidential data. Learning through these portals can result in high consequences, so the student never get a chance to practically learn the statutory filings, and they also struggle when they start their career journey. It's a fact that for every commerce graduate or pursuer, more than 2 or 3 years are lost in the name of training or getting the relevant skills after the completion of graduation. At the same time, commerce teachers and academicians find it hard to communicate and evaluate these skills based on theory alone. Energy India recognized this gap between theory and practical skills and developed a simulated learning platform. For example, you can see a task of filing GST on the screen from our course. A student can file this task using our simulation with the details and credentials given in the task itself. By this method, each student can practice and train to achieve clear understanding of the concepts of GST, IT, TDS, TCS computation, etc. If a student can practice 10 times in simulated environment, the possibility of getting it wrong in the real environment is brought to zero. That is what our simulation technology brings to commerce education. Real life experience without real life consequences. Bookkeeping or journaling is an integral part of commerce globally. In Indian scenario, it is still taught by drawing tables using pencil and scale and filling in the details accordingly. But this consumes a lot of time, and in reality, this is done in much updated way through computers. Energy India has developed interactive tools so that this could be practiced in an easy manner. It's a system designed to communicate with the students, helping them at each step of their learning. An intelligent tool that reviews every student's learning journey and aids them in completing the tasks given. This system helps students practice the theory they learn, making the process of learning easier for the students and teachers as well. Simulated learning technology and interactive learning technology are the two revolutionary innovations from Energy India which will simplify the process of learning and teaching. With the help of student learning analytics, task-based learning method, and continuous system-based tracking, a teacher can be super efficient and guide their students to more skill-oriented education by reducing the time spent on learning and training. This makes commerce education more experiential and skill-oriented, thus fostering a dynamic and efficient learning environment. That's how Energy is innovating the global commerce education.